Hello, and welcome to this presentation of Time Zero software. High-resolution oceanographic forecasts. Oceanography is a science that studies various aspects of oceans and seas, including ocean currents, marine organisms, ecosystems, and the links between oceans and climate change. The oceanographic forecasts available in TZ Professional are intended for pelagic fishing. They aim to define the best fishing areas. Indeed, pelagic species move according to different parameters such as altimetry, surface temperature, or currents. TZ Professional is the only system that offers multi-day oceanographic forecasts. This is particularly interesting as conditions may change between the time of departure and the time of arrival in the fishing area. TZ Professional allows you to go directly to the area with the best fishing potential. How does it work? TZ Professional becomes a key decision support tool for pelagic fisheries. Do not launch your fishing campaigns at random. TZ Professional's oceanographic forecasts save you time and optimize your fuel costs. The goal of TZ Professional is to provide everyone with extremely easy-to-use decision support tools. An essential function of our oceanographic solution is called autofilters. You just made a good fishing campaign and you're satisfied with your catches? TZ Professional allows you to display in one click all areas with conditions similar to those in which you just fished successfully. No need to become an oceanographer to use our forecasts. TZ Professional instantly displays the recommended areas. Altimetry. The seas and oceans are not flat. Water levels vary depending on the temperature of the water. Cold waters are denser than warm waters. Pelagic species generally prefer to stay in warm waters, but nutrients are usually found in cold waters. These species favor the frontal zones. They go to cold waters with negative altimetry to feed, and then return to warmer areas with positive altimetry to warm up. Temperature, salinity, and oxygen. Once the front areas are defined, thanks to the altimetry, TZ Professional goes further by displaying additional information such as water temperature, salinity, and oxygen. All this according to depth. Example for albacore fishing. Various scientific studies have shown that this species of tuna is generally found in waters between 15 degrees Celsius and 21 degrees Celsius with a specific oxygen concentration. Once in a front zone, just ask TZ Professional how deep the layer of water corresponding to these two parameters is, and you're done. The oceanographic forecast filters available in TZ Professional are probably the easiest to use, but also the most powerful available to date. Thermocline. The thermocline is the boundary between the deep cold waters and the warmer surface waters. In this zone, significant temperature variations are observed according to the depth. TZ Professional uses a unique calculation algorithm to display thermocline information. The thermocline acts as an insurmountable barrier and varies with depth. If your seine goes down to 150 meters of depth and the thermocline is at 200 meters, the fish can escape by the bottom. Whereas, if the thermocline is at 125 meters, they will be blocked by this natural barrier and will remain in your net. Shear. Protect your net by predicting shear areas in your fishing zone. With shear data, you can display the variations between the strength of the currents from one depth to another. Time Zero automatically identifies dangerous areas that can damage your fishing net. For more information, visit www.mytimezero.com.